Hi there! Welcome to our Kids Learning channel. Let's build a puzzle today with numbers and learn how to count them. Here we have number 0. Our next number will be number 1. 1 squirrel. The next number will be number 2. 2 bunnies. The next number will be number 3. 2 3 teddy bears. Our next number is number 4. 2 3 4 monkeys. Well done! Our next number will be number 5. 2 3 4 5 raccoons. The next number will be number 6. 2 3 4 5 6 pandas. Great job! Our next number is number 7. 2 3 4 5 6 7 koalas. The next number will be number 8. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 elephants. And our last number for today is number 9. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 crocodiles. Let's learn some math symbols. This math symbol calls addition. Our next math symbol is subtract. Our next math symbol is multiply. Our next math symbol will be divide. And our last math symbol will be equal. Great job on learning how to count numbers. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.